Night with the pressure washing night here. We're doing our pressure washing job today. It's working on this right here. This is a wall. We got some algae on it. She's got some plants here, so she's requesting that we try not to use any chemicals. So we're just going to try and go at it with the pressure washer itself. Try and get all this off because she has to look at this on a regular basis. So yeah, let's get it going. Super nice and clean. No more algae all the way across, except for on the other side of that fence. We didn't fully get over there, but couldn't arrange it with the neighbors to get over there, so I just told her I'd get over as far as I could, and then I did the wall all the way across. She only wanted me to do in her window perspective, but I ended up doing the whole thing anyways because I told her that, you know, I'd be willing to do that for her. She said I didn't have to, but I did anyway. So hopefully she's happy and we'll see what she thinks, but we're good to go here. I'm just gonna pack up and clean up now and move on to the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.